Okay, this episode tips is all about battery maintenance, and while some of you will be familiar with how to maintain and look after your batteries, some I find don't have any idea or are forgetful when it comes to these type of products. So my tip today is around how to best care for your battery to ensure the maximum life, and with particular focus on when you store your caravans. So it's being a battery cell, it's going to load up, we're going to charge this battery up full of power, and obviously when we're out using it, we're running appliances and we're slowly dropping the capacity of this battery, which obviously needs to be recharged to keep everything full. When you store your caravan batteries, you have a couple of things you want to try and do. You want to try and always ensure that they're fully charged in storage. What will happen is, if there's only half full when you get home, all the particles within the battery that are bouncing around in there that are charged up and holding the charge essentially, if they're not stimulated and charged, they will settle, those particles will settle to the bottom of the battery. And then that's what they call packing out. So all that sediment sits and packs on the bottom of the battery. And unfortunately, when that happens, when you go to charge it the next time, not all of that will come back up and become charged. So therefore your battery just lost its capacity ever so much. So what happens is, when people store these for a prolonged period of time and don't keep them charged, that sediment will basically pack down, it will become hard, and the battery then becomes very, very ineffective, and most times people then pay another $300 to replace it. So the best thing you can do is always ensure your batteries are fully charged. You can use products like solar panels, trickle chargers, even onboard 240 volt chargers that might be already as part of the caravan infrastructure, but don't forget to keep them charged up, especially when they're stored. And in general, keep your batteries as charged as possible all the time, because the more you do that, the longer they will last.